How to replace the DirecTV Trav'ler feed arm. You will need the following tools to replace the feed arm: a 5/16, 7/16, 1/2, 3/8, and 11/32 wrench, and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Press power on the interface box to power the system on. Once it raises up off the roof so that the arm is at least parallel to the roof, press and hold power and select at the same time to power the box off. Now unplug the power cable from the back of the interface box. On the roof, begin by using the 1/2-inch wrench to remove the 2 reflector bolts and nuts. Slide the reflector up and out of the bottom tabs, holding it to the bracket. Set the reflector, nuts, and bolts to the side. Loosen the 4 nuts that secure the LMB guard in place. To remove the LMB, use the 11/32 wrench to hold the nylock nuts in place and the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Carefully slide the LMB and LMB guard towards the end of the arm until the LMB comes free. Using the 7/16 wrench, disconnect the coax cable from the LMB. Set the LMB, screws, and nylock nuts to the side. Pull the LMB cable out of the arm from the bottom. Using the 1/2-inch wrench, remove the 4 screws that hold the stiffener plate and arm to the adapter plate. With the new arm in hand, place the stiffener plate in the bracket and align the bottom right hole to the isolated hole in the bracket. Place a 1/2-inch screw in this hole and secure to the number 3 position on the adapter plate. Adjust the arm so that the other 3 holes line up with the holes in the adapter plate, and use the 1/2-inch screws to secure the arm in place. Feed the cable up through the arm. Loosen the 4 nuts that secure the LMB guard on the new arm using the 3/8 wrench. Attach the cable to the LMB until finger tight, then use the 7/16 wrench for a 1/4 turn. Slide the LMB into the end of the arm, adjusting the LMB guard as necessary. Slide the 2 screws into the holes and use the nylock nuts to secure the screws and LMB in place. Tighten the 4 nuts holding the LMB guard in place using the 3/8 wrench. Slide the reflector in the tabs. Using the provided hardware and the 1/2-inch wrench, replace the reflector bolts and nuts. Be sure to slide the washer on the bolt between the back of the reflector bracket and the nylock nut. Plug the interface box back into power and power the system back on. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your DirecTV feed arm.